I am Luis Garcia and I am an architect.
I am Veronica Fernandez and I am an industrial designer.
Hello, I am Francisco de la Carrera and I am engineering physics. And we are proposing to a large-scale custom 3D printer with different materials such as clay and plastic. In the last 3 years we have developed a diversity of technological automatization projects like the concept 3D printer, robot, and we have implemented our own CNC machines that can cut wood and metal. In our team, we have an organization chart that allows us a fluid work in research and development of different prototypes. And we also count with different contributors that support us in the labor of developing prototypes.
We will offer a new way to purchase custom-sized 3D printers with an automatic online pricing system. The customer will know instantly how much the 3D printer will cost, large or small, and with the specific extruder needed. With minimal capital investment, we will obtain a custom-sized 3D printer, allowing the user to design and fabricate while the production process is self-controlled, having the possibility of produce different shapes with different materials. With our custom large-size 3D printer, we want that the Chilean people can be able to print large volumes at once with different materials, helping them manufacture different large-scale prototypes in areas like architecture, engineering, and healthcare.